Hi, welcome. Here you can see how can we download and use Java driver for MySQL database. This steps is mandatory when we configure MySQL with Apache Hive for Metastore. Hive uses this Java driver to store all the Metastore data in the tables reside on MySQL database through JDBC API. In the subsequent video, you can see how to create a schema for Apache Hive on MySQL database. Please like and share with your friends and stay tuned with us for subsequent videos related to real-time use case execution and POC. Thanks again for watching.